อ่ะ
ผู้ทำนะครับพี่เอกเคสปีดอีกครั้งครับแยกทางมาด้วย
Well, it's way too loud, so I won't be saying all that much. But we'll show you as much as we can of the cars and bikes. They don't trust
How did you
Waza.
get past me?
I don't know. I looked for you out there. I didn't see you.
Well, you had to get a ticket on me. Said
I
when you said.
I got the ticket. I figured you were already in because you told me how much the
I
ticket
said
were.
I'm waiting at the ticket desk.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Oh my God. Brian, how you doing?
Go say hi to CB Media right there.
G'day, how you
Good to
doing?
see you, brother.
Good to see you again.
How's life? Welcome
You haven't been to the down under bar for like 5 years.
I know. I need to go.
You're slack.
I know. I need to go.
Every week he says, how come he doesn't show up?
I know.
Well, he's never said that actually, but it sounded good.
I actually haven't.
a big fan of this era of Corvettes.
ชีวิตตอนนี้เขาผีเหมือนซีรัวสุดเลยนะฮะเอาละเดี๋ยวทีมงานรอดูนะครับ
When I was a young teenager, those were the new Corvettes, and they just stuck with me as the one I like best. And what I 63 bug. This is a 62, but I had the rag top. That was a fun car for a 17-year-old.
In northern Thailand.
Oh, green pots.
Yeah, green pie. Yeah.
You can't hear a damn thing in here, seriously.
But
Yeah.
you can also eat it.
Yeah,
It's a cream
you
pie.
could, you could.
Yeah.
Pai has the best driving roads in all of Thailand. Pai, the city of Pai. It's part of the Mae Hong Song Loop, which is like best driving roads. It makes the racetrack in Buriram look like a highway, a Bangkok highway. It is so curvy and so crazy. So his name's Cream Pie.
So I've been meaning to, when we do our Sukhothai trips, I've been meaning to actually take the bike up one day.
Oh, yeah.
And actually do.
I did it on just a little Aerox 155.
Check this car out. Nice Impala El Camino. Oh, left-hand drive too. Nice. I'm definitely not an El Camino fan. Never have been, but that is really sweet. This is when Cadillac made cars. That was beautiful era.
Hey, Jerry. Jerry, can you imagine driving one of these things around the streets of Bangkok?
No. My mother and father had a Lincoln Continental that was this big. It seems like they have a fetish for early 60s Impalas and Chevys. This is the 4th or 5th one we've seen already. '59. My mom and dad had a 62, but it was a 4-door.
I bet it wasn't Knox though.
No. I don't think they knew what that was back then. That's a sweet Buick LeSabre. I remember when my mom and dad bought a 1968. It was the first car, new car I remember them buying. It was like $3,500 US, 1968. I learned how to drive on that car. I took my driving test on it twice. I failed the first time, and then I drove that until I got my first Volkswagen, which was that 63 Bug I was telling you about a little bit earlier.
So which car's yours? Which one do you want? What car?
No, sponsor. Sponsor.
Oh, sponsor? You don't have one here? No. Really?
How about Mosai? You have Mosai?
No, you're not.
No.
No.
Thank you.
That combi there looks better than the one we used to drive back in the 80s. Now, is that supposed to be sort of that grunge look?
Yeah, it's the...
ours was natural, falling to pieces.
Look at the tires and wheels on this. Rat rod. Rat rod.
Rat rods, yes. Rat rods,
และ
yes.
ตัวอวัยวะที่ลักซิกเนเจอร์โปรเมทตัวนี้ค่ะยังเป็นซิกเนเจอร์ของเราอีกด้วยค่ะท่านไหนเนี่ยที่อยากเข้ามาใช้ทรงผมที่เราอยากให้ช่างของเราเนี่ยในช่างท่านอื่นๆเนี่ยมาสแตนบายคอยอยู่แล้วนะลูกค้าท่านไหนที่
So this is what I had. My first car had the rag
กลั
top.
บมาที่ทางนี้นะ
I don't know what year this is, but it's close to 63.
ลูกค้าไหนเนี่ยที่อยากเข้ามาใช้ทรงผมนะมาได้เลยอยากให้มากันเยอะๆนะวันนี้เราพาแบรนด์ของเราค่ะ
These are always the best area of the shows where all the little shops sell their stuff. Rolly Monkey, no idea. Nice art.